I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit faze me.
All right, we have a very, very special video this go round. I was celebrating my 42nd birthday in Los Angeles, and I actually got to hit every team that was playing that weekend. That's 4 teams in 3 days. Saw the Clippers, the Chargers, the Lakers, and the Rams. Really, I was going to see the Dolphins, but in any case, I've been getting hit up since then. Like, yo, what's going on? Are you rich? What's happening? How you get to afford to do all this stuff? And I'm not. I was able to get all this stuff for the low, 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 low price. And not only that, each spot I went to, we had VIP access. So this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. I'm going to give you the 3 simple keys to doing that. Look at Odell Beckham Jr. right there. So it's quite simple, right? Okay, it's quite simple. Here's the 3 keys. Buy right before or right after the game starts. Pick a game with a unpopular team and search multiple sites. So I went to LA knowing I was going to go to the Monday night game. I paid full price for that one, so I won't show you that ticket. But I also wanted to go to Cosm, this new little dome theater situation right across the street from Intuit Dome and very close to SoFi, so it was all in the same area. And I got to go there and see my team, Alabama, play LSU, and they beat them. They killed them. But right after that, right towards the end of that game, I decided, you know what, you want to go see the Clipper game? So I looked it up, and I was able to do a little search and find some tickets for very, very cheap, mainly because I bought the tickets maybe 5 minutes after the game started. So the seats I was able to get were in the bungalow section, bungalow 9 to be exact. Bungalow 9, row 3, seat 9 and 10, because I got 2 tickets. It was $340 for 2 tickets, which is about 170 per ticket. Then I went to go see the Raptors. Now, if I was to go see Golden State, it cost me $600 to $800 for each ticket. If I'm completely honest, the $600 to $800 per ticket is actually worth it. It comes with this suite back here that has all the food that you would want or drinks. Alcohol is included as well, and that waiter that you just saw, she actually will come out to your seat and bring you stuff if you want it. I also have access to 2 clubs. One of them being this one right here, which is the Lexus Club. The thing about the Lexus Club, not only do they have food that you can grab and eat right there, but they have this section over here where the players walk through before the game to get to the court. And during halftime, as you see right here, that's James Harden right there. And they're walking back to their locker room. So you can kind of say what's up to the players and, bump fists with them, high five them, whatever, that type of thing. So very, very cool experience. And like I said, really, really worth the money. Intuit Dome, if you've never been, it's just a great arena. And if you ever go, it will kind of spoil you and make you not really want to go to other arenas just because of how nice it is and comfortable it is. But like I said, man, very cheap ticket, 170 Vices, $677 or 800 per ticket. Can't beat that. So that was Saturday. Sunday at breakfast, we decided, hey, we got nothing else planned. Let's go to the Charger game. So looked up tickets for SoFi. Chargers were playing the Titans. And what do you know? We got some decent seats right here. Section C137, row 13, seat 17, and I want to say 18. And as you can see right here, 2 tickets cost $235, which is about 115, 116 each. Here you can see where on a regular game against the Bengals, it would have cost $300 each ticket. So all the pictures and videos here are from the Rams game on Monday, but the seats were about the same. We were able to actually get to this game early, so we were able to get autographs from some of the players and interact with the players. Even got to meet up again with a player that I had met on Saturday at the Clipper game. So that's him there. We took pictures with him. And then here's a pic from the game on Saturday. We were able to interact and throw the ball back and forth with the players. So overall, great time, and definitely recommend getting to the games early if you want to do that. So after the Charger game, we had already seen the Clippers and had plans to see the Rams the next day. Made sense just to go to crypto and see the Lakers. LeBron's my favorite player, and I've never seen him live and in person, so this was just a great opportunity to do so. Plus, you have Bronny there, and you want to check out Bronny and see what he has going on. So, overall, great event. Now, it's not the Intuit Dome. We were spoiled by Intuit Dome, but Intuit Dome does not have LeBron. They don't have Bronny. They don't have the Lakers. They just have the best arena. So it was cool to go see them. All my other tickets I got from StubHub. These ones I got from the Game Time app. $173 for each ticket, $346 altogether. If we went to the Nuggets game, it would cost $400 just for one ticket. So that was a steal. Great seats, great view. Got there early, got to see the guys warm up, and even got to see Bronny get into the game and play a little bit. Great experience overall. Chargers won, Clippers won, Lakers won, and then the Dolphins won. So all the teams that I was there going for or came to see won. So to recap, buying your tickets late, researching, going between SeatGeek, and StubHub and Ticketmaster and all of these sites, and going to see less popular teams are all ways to see your favorite players or visit these teams for a way cheaper price than normal.
Oh, I did it.
Come on, Cyrus. Thank you. You're the best.
See you,
Thank
man.
you
Have a
so
good day.
much. Have a good. I told you I would see you today.
Home run, bad bye. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need balance.